The need for highly skilled technology and cybersecurity workers has never been higher. But these workers are hard to find, afford, and keep. And maintaining their skills requires persistent training on the latest trends and technologies. CDW's training and enablement services provide a better way for high-performing technology teams to grow, learn, and excel. With training programs that are flexible, comprehensive, and supported by a team of CDW workforce development specialists, we're making it easier than ever to enroll your teams in cutting-edge, hands-on, business-relevant training. With CDW's broad training portfolio and certified instructors, your team can gain access to the same CDW curriculum currently being used by dozens of Fortune 500 companies and government agencies. And since we deploy, configure, and manage these technology solutions every day, we have real-world experience with the latest solutions from each vendor, ensuring we're delivering relevant, actionable training on the platforms that power your business. Our track record is proven. We've trained over 30,000 technology workers in core disciplines like cybersecurity, cloud, and data science, and mission-critical platforms like those from Microsoft, Palo Alto Networks, AWS, and Cisco. With tailored learning tracks aligned to the needs of your teams, you can build loyalty with high-potential coworkers, create long-term retention incentive, and maximize the value and outcomes of your technology stack. The journey to better technology skills starts with top-tier training from CDW. View our full course catalog and calendar by visiting cdw.com and reach out to your account manager to get started today.